Dito tayo. Hanapin ko muna. Okay, nasa taas sila boys. Nasa taas. Pwede tayo dito. 14 minute mark tayo. Marami. Box up tayo. Nasa taas sila eh. 14 minutes pa naman. Right dito pa. Dito tayo atras. Ayun. Nagmamanda ah. Patras lang kayo boys. Okay, patras lang kayo ah. Okay, pwede kayo mag ano ah. Nahabol ako niyan ah. May mat dito sa'yo. Okay, pwede nyo i-push ah. Pwede nyo i-push. Sige, atras ka. Huli ako. Anong color tayo? Red no? Tayo lang. Atlas lang. Sige, wait lang natin sila. Atlas na kayo. Ayun na, yung sinasabi ko kayo, Matt. Pwede na tayo mag-counter ha. Nandun na sila eh. Naman rin. Ayan, nagda-drop. Pwede na tayo. Wala na si Matt. Pwede na natin wipe ito. Push. Push tayo. Poison nyo. Sige, wala pa si Matt. Unahan ko dito. Sige. Push nyo. Na-drop nyo ba dyan? Sige, pwede na tayo. Patras na tayo. Okay. Pares. Sige. Atras. Go. Atras. Atras lang. 4-4. LP natin. Move yung LP natin. Nice. Sige, ganun lang ha. Kita nyo, nag-fail si Matt. Counter tayo, ganun. Sige, atras. Hindi na kaya oh. Wala silang ano. Patras lang. Pag nag-fail. Oh. Sige, patras. LP mo. Ayan. Sige, atras. Ayan. Go. Counter tayo. At LP natin. Magwawala siya eh. May ABR ha. Namandra din ako. Sige lang. Namandra. Sige. Sige, back. Okay, push. Namandra. Papit ko kayo. Pamit. Tara baba. Sige, mid. Mid sila. Ako talaga may namandra nila. Sige, baba tayo. Nasa baba kami. Reset tayo ha. So, nakafocus si Matt sa akin ha. Sa akin. So, sige, alam mo na anong gagawin. Sige, nasa baba kami boys. Nasa baba, 6 o'clock. Sige, dyan na kayo. Kailangan natin mag-count. Papakita ko kay Matt, tsaka nyo palagad. Sige lang. Dyan lang muna kayo. Sige, akyat kayo. Dito kayo sa right side. Left wing. Left wing tayo. Yan, very good. Left wing. Nahikot sila eh. Okay, balik tayo sa mid. Bali nasa sila, right side ng wing. Inikot na nila. Hanapin ko lang sa sila. Ayun, nasa 6 o'clock na. Sila. Ayan, ready. Ready. 6 o'clock. Sige, pwede nyo palagan ha. Pwede kayo mag-counter dyan ha. Pwede kayo mag-counter dyan ha. Sige, wala na si Matt ha. Nasa akin na si Matt always ha. Sige, nahabol si Matt sa akin. Wala nang genetic dyan. Pwede nyo palagan ha. Nahirap si Duri. Nahabol ako ni Matt ha. Saan kayo?
Dito ako.
Sige. Disable ako. Sige. Si Matt nasa akin pa rin ha. Tagal nung ano. Mandra. Sige, sama lang kayo ano. Magsama lang kayo always. Okay. Wala si Matt sa akin, hindi ko alam kung nasa.
Sa akin, nandit sa amin.
Okay, okay. 24. Ah, kaya nasa spot na. Sabi pa yung height ko, nakikita pala sa headland, no? Tayo kayo, sige, sige. Hold lang ha. 25. Sige, adjust na lang tayo. 7 minutes in. Sige, gawa tayo. Baba, akit tayo. Mat, nakakit sa akin. Basta, ako lang, si Mat lang ang umahabol sa akin. Pupus sila kayo. Okay. So, hindi na-work yung, iharapan na lang natin sila. Okay, hold lang yung mid ha. Hold lang yung mid. Sige, balik, atras. Hindi pa na sila Mat. Frustration, been crossing lost and told no, and I've come back unshaken, let down and let go. So you can let it be known, I don't hold back, I hold my own. I can't be mapped, I can't be cloned. I can't see flat, it ain't my tone. I can't fall back, I came too far. Okay, pwede nyo palagan yan, boys. Sa backline ako na legs. Okay, mandra nyo. Mandra tayo. Magdadap na yung ano ha. Nice one. Tara, napit ko muna. Ayan, napit na. Pag nag-asim na yung si Matt, mabibigla natin si Nani.
Dito, okay.
Taas tayo. Oo, taas tayo. Okay, stop natin. Baba tayo. Gusto natin nasa likod yung respawn point natin. Yan. Kahit dito na muna. Bili ko nasa 6 o'clock sila. Trade tayo, boys. Hindi ko alam ha. Ayokong lumayo eh. Balik, Big Boss D. Boss D. Nasa baba sila. Nasa baba, 6 o'clock. 14 mark. Easy ka lang, Boss D. Easy ka lang. Huwag kang po-pro. Mahuli ka dyan. Uy. Nandyan sila. Huwag kang mag-pro. Likod ka lang. Nasa 6 o'clock sila. Okay, baba tayo konti. Huwag ka dyan. Makikita ka dyan. Earth tayo. Ayan na si Mata. Okay, push natin itong Mat. Makulit to eh. Ayan na si Durian. Back mo na. Dami sige, hold nyo yung position nasa taas kaya, diba? Sige, hold nyo muna yung position. Nahanap nila ako eh. Taas kayo, akit kayo. Going up na sila. Sige, balik tayo. Nasa loob ako ha. Sige, push natin. Nagkamali sila. Right command. Sige. Okay, 3 up tayo. Duri, nag-3 nice.
I remember what they taught to me. Remember condescending, talking for who I ought to be. Remember listening to all of that and this again. So I pretended I'm a person who's and pretend everything is what I wanted to be. I look exactly like what you had always wanted to see. When I pretend I can forget about the criminal I am. Stealing second after second just because I know I can. But I can't pretend this is the way it'll stay. I'm just trying to bend the truth. I can't pretend I'm who you want me to be. So I'm lying my way.
Nice cobweb.
This isn't what I wanted to be. I never thought they would
nagkakamali na sila.
you wanted from me. Like this, This isn't what I wanted to be. I never thought that what I said would have you running from me.
And got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I wanna be pushed aside, so let me go. Let me take back my life. I'd rather play all alone, anywhere on my own, 'cause I can share.
Wala na ako target road. Hindi na ako magbabak
The very worst part of you is me.
People keep asking you one back, and I haven't really had an answer. But now, yeah, I'm thinking on it back.
Can you picture my prophecy? Stress in the city, the cops
May
are
ibig dyan,
stopping me.
ingat.
The project is full of bullets, the bodies is dropping. There ain't no stopping me. Constantly moving while making millions. Witnessing killings, leaving dead bodies in the abandoned buildings. Carries the children cause they're illin'. Addicted to killing the EMP. I'm from the gap building. But I'm feeling but will they last, so be blasted. Hard-headed bastard. Maybe you're listening this casket, the aftermath. More bodies being buried. I'm losing my homies in a hurry. They relocating to the cemetery. Got me worried, stressing my business blurry. The question is, will I live? No one in the world loves me. I'm headed for danger. Don't trust strangers. Put one in the chamber whenever I'm feeling this anger. Don't wanna make excuses, but this is how it is. What's the use unless we shoot? No one notices the you. It's just me against the world.
Nakabintay up sila.
But in the end,
Nice puno, nice puno, nice
doesn't
puno.
even matter.
15 all tayo, 15 all tayo. Relax, relax. 15 all tayo. Rebound tayo.
To lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even
Diyan lang kayo. Okay, hold nyo lang yung position na yan. Okay, bababa, okay, bababa. Ayaw nila dyan.
let me go.
Bababa.
Let me take back my life.
Okay, sige, sige. Okay, bababa. Bababa. Ayun, ayun, ayun. Sige, sige. Palagan nyo ha, pag sinabi yung palag.
Cause I can share.
Nice, okay, palag.
The very worst part of you.
Palagan nyo. Debuff nyo lahat. Okay, nagpe-pray na sila ha. Nagpe-pray na sila ha. Okay, sige. Nice. Control nyo si Duri. Magda-down na to. Okay, relax. Back. Ganun lang. Ay, hinanap ako ni Mato. Kaya. Parang na yan. Papasok ulit. Pag-akyat nila, titirahin ko sa likod. Yan, takot na sila.
Same set and blueprint that I never change.
Yes.
Just
Baba,
part of
okay,
the
wala.
game. Respect me, I'm a thug. I might cool out
Balag,
for a
balag,
sec,
balag,
but
balag.
expect me to bug. It's in my blood, but if my chick leave me, she gon' leave me for something. She gon' leave me for Sally. Chick leave me for nothing. Picture me getting up with something sleazy, something so
palagan nyo,
easy.
palagan nyo.
Take out the speed like nothing. Something soon as you finish cutting me, like leave me, please, not me. I need Angelina Jolie's comfort. So
Okay, nice. Lamang tayo. Sige, ganun lang. Ay, papasok. AP, babak.
Not to say that anything is wrong with me, just to say that ain't nothing wrong with me.
Hold nyo.
Pushed as
Ayun na, pinapasok na. Okay.
as I can go. For all this,
Okay,
there's
hold nyo si Duri. Debuff nyo si Duri.
you should know. I've tried so hard,
Ay, dito ulit.
got so far, but in the end, it doesn't
Nagdadap sila ha. Ano sila, atin na to ha. Sige, push nyo. Hiting mata ko. Okay, imposible hindi mamatay to. Patay na. Patayin nyo na.
I wanna be pushed aside, so let me go.
Relax. LP kayo, papasok ko.
My life, I'd rather
Patay na isa. Ay, oo, Busti, baba lang. Battle of Debuff to ha. Anak nila ko. Ilang, okay, bababa talaga. Oh, lamang tayo. Relax, Boss D. Huwag ka masyadong aggressive. Sige lang. Ayan, hinahanap na ako. Sige lang. Yung health splat ang tinitingnan nila.
Coming.
Okay, palag.
Okay.
Palag kayo ha. Palag kayo. Pabor tayo. Debuff nyo lang.
Ay, nakamandra sila. Ay, nataon ako. PBR. Ay. PBR talaga yan.
Tayo na lahat ah. LP. Pamandra ko sa kalaban.
Okay, nakulo yan, nakulo yan. Okay, Mandron.
Kakam sila, papit pay up tayo. Ay, nakalap tayo. Oh. Ah, 25-30. Ah, hey.